Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the Kerala Vision modem or gateway and letting the unit finish its boot sequence. Wait until the power and WAN LEDs are steady. Once done, plug a Cat5e/6 Ethernet cable from any LAN port on the router into your computer's network jack and look for the link light. Next, make sure your PC's Ethernet adapter is set to obtain IP and DNS automatically, so the router can hand out a usable address, and you can continue configuration quickly. You now access the router's admin page, type the local IP, commonly 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1 into a browser and sign in with the admin credentials. Once in, choose the WAN connection type your Kerala Vision plan requires. Leave DHCP if the ISP assigns IPs automatically, or select PPPoE and enter the username and password provided by Kerala Vision. After saving, apply settings and allow the router to reconnect. Make sure DNS and MTU values are defaults unless your ISP specified otherwise, so packets route correctly. You finish by verifying connectivity. Check your PC's IP configuration and ping a public IP like 8, 8, 8, 8 to confirm basic routing. Once that works, open a browser to test websites and run a speed check. Set your Wi-Fi SSID and password on the router if you want wireless. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Power off modem and router, wait 30 seconds. Power them back on one at a time and reseat Ethernet cables. If still offline, contact Kerala Vision support with your modem's WAN status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.